Welcome everyone. Let's practice the pronunciation of difficult words from the story Journey to the End of the Earth, written by Tishani Doshi. Academic, Shokelski, Antarctica, Antarctic, Gore-Tex, Gondwana, Jeff, America, Phytoplankton, Banyan, Cordilleran, India, Indian, Canadian, Cambrian, Russian, Belgium, Madras, Himalayas, geological, checkpoints, dinosaurs, underneath, importantly, landmass, microscopic, ozone, zones, ecospheres, carving, pristine, windiest, retreating, immensity, fuels, circumpolar, largest, ruckus, flora, flows, ecosystem, equator, dioxide, megacities, globe, metabolic, connect, boggling, increasing, visual, horizon, meters, profound, jamming, gangplank, polar, mammals, idealism, celled, shaping, prognosis, caps, northwards, drake, whiteness, evolution, ping pong, collapsing, rhinos, expedition, absorb, interrupted, aboard, crust, wondrous, inspiring, supercontinent, shelves. Thank you.